Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you're not subscriber of my channel, subscribe, don't miss new videos. And today we have some technical issues and technical issues with Ethereum USD. We have a problem with the crypto today. So Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, Ripple is down. And if you look at the charts, here is Ethereum with US dollar. We see a descendant triangle. So if we will go down through this support, through this line, it's 1700, and if we will go down, we will see 1272. So I suggest you to keep an eye on this level. So that's a quick update. Thumbs up if you like this, subscribe to the channel, don't miss new videos.